Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a basic structure of a fighter jet through one cylinder. So first add a cylinder. After that I will use transform tool, move it into 90 degree. After turning into 90 degree, now I will check it. So now I will make it a bit longer. So now we will go to edit mode, use poly build, and you can see a point in the up. So I will drag it out, and now I will check a point and drag it till there. So now you can see this is straight, so I will drag the front point and move it little big. So now you can see we have completed the upper wing or the tail wing. So now we will take the side points for making the side wings, and now we will select a point and drag it till there. So I have made a fan. Now I am making of another. So now I'll go in Z axis and see how it is looking. So now I will move it little bit in front. Now you can see it is taking the shape of a jet. Now I will take a cone and I'll make a duplicate of it. Now I will add a cube and move it up. And I'll bring it a little bit down. So this should be the formation of cone and cube. After that, we will select cone and go to add modifiers and use Boolean tool and add object as cube. So now I'll apply it. So now I will delete the cube, and now the second cone I will place it into the center of the cone first. Now you can see it is aligned in the center. Now I'll move it little bit up. So I'll now add Boolean tool and use my object as the cone 2, and now you can see a hole inside the cone, and this will react as a thruster or a burner in the jet. So we have moved it into 90 degree, and now I will place it right behind the aircraft. Now I'll align it exactly to this cone, and now this is almost completed. We will try shading it smooth, but no, it is not looking good. So let's shade it flat. Now you can see one thing is remaining, the front. So I'll add a cone. I'll go to x-axis and turn it into 90 degree, and I'll make it a little bit longer. So you can see it has changed the shape into a plane. So one thing is still remaining. The wings are very long, so we will drag the points which were in the front. So this is looking like HAL Tejas, which is an Indian built aircraft. So our project has finished. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for viewing more updates.